I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my Law of Attraction 21 Day Challenge. Today is day 9, designing your affirmations. It's actually quite a few days later. I'm going to say at least 2 weeks or so later, because I've actually been sick and needed to take time for myself to actually rest my body and get better. So that means that at first when I tried to just kind of limp through the cleaning and just do some of it, I had to actually just completely stop cleaning in order to get better.
Who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who...
I am definitely one of those people that pushes themselves way too hard. And I think part of that reason is probably because I have really high expectations from myself.
I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence. Can't breathe when you're not here.
So I had to find some new affirmations that kind of told myself to slow down, that it's okay to be enough just as you are, and it's also okay to take some time for yourself and get better.
Feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my... Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh, yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong.
I am always in the right place at the right time. I am blessed with an incredible family. I take the time to show my family that I care about them.
Sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence. Can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face.
With our thoughts, we make the world. I am abundant. I have all that I need, and I do not need or want for anything. I do not need to be perfect. My struggles and imperfections do not define me. I am grateful that I get to live another day.
Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi. Love is intense, quand je te vois, mon cœur bat. Love is intense.
Today is going to be a great day. Good things are coming. I give myself permission to make my own choices.
Love is intense, je serai là toujours pour toi.
when you're having a hard time finding your own cleaning motivation, it's always the best bet to go to YouTube and find cleaning motivation videos that you like. They actually help me get clean, get inspired, find new cleaning tricks that sometimes make things faster or easier. Sometimes tricks like that get me excited to actually want to try them and get my place clean. Also, you can never underestimate the power of a good beat. A fast-paced song can make cleaning go very quickly and seem like a lot of fun. I am a better person due to the challenges I've faced. I am in charge of my life. My life is filled with abundance and goodness. I love myself more every day. I am beautiful and successful. I am enough. I am a better person because of the challenges that I've faced. There is a benefit and an opportunity in every experience that I've had. I am in charge of my life. So when designing some of your own affirmations, remember what's important to you, remember what your goals and your dreams are, take a step back, try to do an evaluation, and try to find words that are going to be exactly what you need them to be. Now don't forget, after you design your affirmations, you need to be saying them to yourself, believing in them every single day. You need to believe it to live it. You are beautiful and successful. You are enough. You are in charge of your own life. Conquer from within.